A very good evening and a warm welcome to all our esteemed guests and to dear learners. I am Dr. Ria Chukral from Radar Opus by BJNRX, and we are here today to discuss a very interesting topic, delusions in homeopathic prescription with Dr. Shreyans Parekh. We have Dr. Shreyans live with us right now. Sir, can we please have you here with us?
Yes. Thank you,
Thank you,
Dr.
sir.
Ria.
Thank you for being here with us. It's a pleasure to have you with us today. And before I hand over to you, let me quickly explain our learners how this interface works. So on the right-hand side panel of your screens, you have a short chat box. You may type your questions or whatever message you have for Dr. Shreyans right there and press the button next to it to send it to us. I request you all to send your questions only after Dr. Shreyan's lecture is over so that he doesn't get disturbed and we wouldn't want that obviously. Right. So also to let you know Dr. Shreyans about a little about Dr. Shreyans Parekh. He is an MD in homeopathy and he has done a course of CCAS from the Other Song Academy. He is also a passionate homeopath practicing at Shreyans Clinic in Indore. He is an assistant professor in the Department of Materia Medica in the SKRP Gujarati Homeopathic Medical College, Indore, and he's also a Lippe Award winner in 2018. Thank you for being with us. And without wasting any more time, I will just give the platform to you so that we can start learning. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ria. So, thank you, Radar Opus. Thank you, VJN RX, for calling me today. Today, we are here to know about a very interesting topic, delusions in homeopathic prescription. I would like to share my ideas and thinking about the delusions, how delusions are helpful in our prescription. Many patients come to us, they talk on different levels. They they will give their physical symptoms first. Then, after proceeding further in the case taking, they go further and they talk about their emotions, they talk about their feelings. And on probing further, the patient go towards the delusions, towards the sensation. And we all know that there are various homeopaths practicing in various approaches. Some practice on the keynote method, some practice on rare peculiar red line symptoms that are also called as keynotes. Some homeopaths practice only on mental symptoms, while some conjugate all the methods, all the approaches. They make synchronization of all the approaches together. So we have various approaches, and these all approaches are a kind of tools for us. We have to keep all the tools with us, and these tools will help us to solve each and every case very properly. And as per the requirement of the case, we have to choose our approach. And today we are going to talk about delusions. This is one approach. And in my experience, I have seen that around 60 to 70% cases they end at the level of delusion. But the question is, we have to take our patient to that level where our patient goes. And we don't have to force. You remember this also, that we don't have to force. But we have to take our patient to that level and probe out what are his feelings. In each case, we should understand what is his feeling, how that feeling has been developed, from which emotions that feeling is arised. this imagination is arised, this false belief is arised, this false perception is arised. So, what is a delusion? A delusion is a belief which misrepresents the truth. It is a perception or opinion which is exaggerated or disproportionate to reality. Delusions are the feeling which are not fully based on facts, but they are the feelings nevertheless. The difference between delusions and feelings is that delusions are exaggerated, they are more fixed and sometimes expressed in terms of images. Various patients come to us when asked about their emotions, their feelings. They tell that, sir, this is happening to me. And their narration comes in form of a gesture. These gestures are very important to us. Actually, delusion is a perceived reality. It manifests into the mind, body, and forms a pattern in life. So, the inner perception, which seems a vague, this inner perception, which is a delusion, this inner perception is a lie. This is actually the concept of disease in homeopathy. This is the perception, which is something inner to us, and outside is something different. So, what we see outside is reality, but it is the fact. Outside is the reality and fact, but inside is another story. It is a perceived reality, it is a delusion, it is a lie, it is a fantasy. It does not actually happen. But for the person who is suffering, for the patient, this inner story is more real than the outer story because he is perceiving. This inner story which he perceives, it results into the manifestations, into emotions, into the intellect, into the physical symptoms. And this overall makes the picture of a disease. For example, uh, 4 5 days back, a patient come to me with recurrent tonsillitis, and he said, "Sir, this tonsils had made me mad. मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ. इतना गुस्सा आता है ना मुझे. बचपन से मैं परेशान हो रहा हूँ. कुछ खा नहीं सकते, ठंडा खा नहीं सकते, खट्टा खा नहीं सकते. हर महीने वही वही समस्या. कई डॉक्टर्स को दिखा चुका हूँ, एलोपैथी, होम्योपैथी, आयुर्वेद, सारे टाइप के ट्रीटमेंट ले लिए हैं, बट कहीं इलाज ही नहीं मिल रहा है. सर कुछ करिए." ऐसा लगता है कि बस अब मैं बचूं या नहीं बचूं. टॉन्सिल से इतना परेशान हो गया हूं मैं. ऑपरेशन करा नहीं सकता क्योंकि मुझे बहुत डर लगता है सर. ब्लड देख के मैं परेशान हो जाता हूँ, इतना डर लगता है. मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा सर, कुछ करिए. दिस वाज हिज वर्जन. सो व्हाट शुड वी प्रिस्क्राइब? I simply prescribed streptococcus. Based on the delusion, one will become insane. मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा. Delusion, about to die. And delusion sees blood. And today his phone came to me. सर थोड़ी राहत है, मन में शांति मिल रही है मुझे. So when we understand delusions, feelings in our patient, it will bring a mental calmness along with the physical calmness in the patient. So Dr. Rajen Sankaran says, in Substance of Homeopathy, disease is a delusion and awareness is a cure. When our patient gets aware what is going on inside him, then this real awareness of the root of the problem, which is actually delusion, helps to cure. It helps us to find a remedy. But that remedy, along with the awareness of the patient, helps to cure. Thus, homeopathic thinking tells that disease is not external to us, but it is the part of us. either through susceptibility, miasmatic dyscrasia, and lifestyle, maintaining cause, or lack of self awareness. The organism creates a dynamic process called disease. This is a full or partial manifestation of the delusion belonging to and brought about by the unhealthy organism. In just the same way as dreams are complete manifestations of the subconscious, disease is the manifestation of delusion within the organism. Dreams are the purest form of delusion. These are the thoughts which come into pictures in form of pure delusion. And the dreams are good pathway to lead to a simillimum if interpreted with other characteristics. So the dreams are a kind of delusion. We should understand it. For example, a patient came to me with viral warts, and we know all that Thuja is a good remedy for viral warts. Many cases are solved with Thuja. But can we think? We should think actually that why Thuja is effective in cases of viral warts. What should be the thinking of the patient? How the patient feels? How the Thuja patient feels inside? So Thuja has fear of approaching others. Thuja has the fear that he is fragile. He has a delusion that he is made of glass. He is made of wood because internally he feels he is very delicate, he is fragile, he is brittle, his body is lighter than air. So when he tries to touch the warts, what he thinks, सर ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि कहीं यहाँ टच किया और दूसरी जगह टच किया तो इधर उधर फैलेगा. सर मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. सर कहीं इसको ऐसा किया, मैं नाई के पास गया और कहीं ब्लेड लग गई, बहुत मुझे डर लगता है सर. So this shows his fragility. This shows his delicacy. So this is the reason why Thuja is very useful in warts. What is the role of a homeopath to find a delusion? Our role is to discover what ailments our patient have experienced in their life. It is to discover if our patient have interpreted those trauma in a disproportionate way, to unearth all hysterical reactions to the never well sins, to find how our patients have been affected by the situations in their life, to investigate why the patients need to reconstruct or reinvent or reinterpret the reality, to find how the patients have interpreted the stressful events in the life. So we should understand our case like an autobiography. We should tell our patient that you start as if you are telling your whole life history. You give your whole autobiography. This autobiography will give all the incidences, all such episodes in the life of patient, which are either stressful, which made him happy. So we have to understand each and every aspect. And during these situations, what is his perception? What is something unique? How he perceived those situations? If it is normal, then we have to leave it aside. But if it is not normal, if it is something unique, then we have to take into account. See, what is the actual condition? Okay. So our role is very important. So delusion, illusion, and hallucination. These all the three terms in modern medical science are different, but these are considered under one rubric in the delusion in our repertory. So hallucination is a false sensory perception. Illusion is the misperception of the real external stimuli. Illusion it is the sensation which is perceived through eye. We see it. We have a false perception of something which is there actually. Sees foul. We have a rubric sees foul. Delusion, visions of. Delusion, sun is reeling. Delusion, see skeleton. See how interesting rubrics we have now in our repertory. Actually, these delusions, visions, sun is reeling, skeleton, all these things are not true in reality. These things are described knowingly or unknowingly. The patient is talking of some other form. We have to understand that subtle form, some other form which he is telling. So, delusions, hallucination, and illusion, they all are covered under one rubric in our repertory. So, let's start with some of the rubrics in our repertory. Though it's a huge ocean, but I will try to cover very interesting of them. So, case of bed enuresis came to me. She was a 7 years old girl, and what was interesting thing, I will tell you that thing only. Actually, the girl was always watching such cartoons which were of horror. She liked to watch the movies which were having horror scenes. Those movies were very frightful. Always when she slept with her parents, she hold the hand of her father. She hold tightly to her father. And what description she gave to me was very peculiar. कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है सर कि कोई मुझे ले जाएगा, इसलिए मैं मेरे पापा के पास बिल्कुल चिपक के सोती हूँ. कोई मुझे ले जाएगा, मुझे ऐसा सपना आता है. Her mother told that when she urinates, she screams and wakes up. So this was very peculiar and something unique which I found in our repertory. Fear, delusion, fear from. Fear of being taken by the devil. Delusion, taken by the devil he will be. And ailments after seeing scary, frightful movies. How interesting the rubric we got now. Ailments after seeing scary movies. And Mancinella is 2 marks. Rest all rubrics are also covered by Mancinella. And after giving Mancinella, she improved totally. Mancinella belonged to Euphorbiaceae family. Typhoid miasm. Sensation is suddenly bound and must find or demanded release urgently, or else his life is in danger. So she bounded to her parents. She bounded to her father. She held her tightly during sleep. Mancinella is a good remedy. It is running parallel to the remedies of Solanaceae. Another case I would like to share with you. It is also a case of bed neurosis, and this is very interesting. This is a boy of 14 years, and his problem started when he was around 6, 7, or 5 years old. Till that, there was no problem, there was no issue. There was no problem of bed enuresis. But after that, this problem arose, and till now also he urinates daily. This was told by her mother. And what actually the story was that her mother, father, and this child went to a fair. मेले में गए थे वो in Bhopal. And there that child was lost. So after searching continuously, That child was crying, crying, crying. His parents also surged. And after 2 or 3 hours, they went to the police station. And at police station, they found their child there. The child was sitting there and he was shrieking like anything. He was crying like anything. And when he saw his parents, he hugged tightly to them. Hmm? This incident was completely explained by her mother. And some peculiar dreams came to the child. The boy told, सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे बहुत सारे लोग ही लोग घूम रहे हैं. मुझे बहुत सारे सर दिख रहे हैं, इतनी भीड़ में मैं कहीं फंसा हुआ हूँ. Actually, what was that crowd? What were हम लोगों के चेहरे, सर? What is it? We have in our repertory. It is delusion sees ugly faces. Delusion sees grimaces. Dreams of skeleton. These skeletons are those people, that crowd. Delusion, he is about to receive injury. And fear because of a previous fright. He had a fear. Till this stage, till my treatment, that patient was completely dull. There was no active participation from his side. But after that, he improved totally. Bed enuresis complaints were improved. His way of interaction changed. The remedy I gave was opium, where the main feature is fear after a previous fright. It belongs to family Papaveracea. So let's talk about some rubrics. Delusion, he is a person of rank. It is very interesting and key rubric. We should go in depth and understand what it is actually. What is the perception of cuprum? What is the perception of phosphorus? What is the perception of veratrum? Why they think, why they have a feeling that he is a person of rank. So let's talk about cuprum metallicum. Whenever cuprum person, they are at a high position in the society, or they work at a very high profile job, or with the persons of high profile, or with big industrialist, then they have a feeling that they are a person of rank. Huh? A driver thinks, a driver who drives BMW, he will think that this is my car. He thinks he has the same perception. Okay. Likewise, if we talk about the doctrine of signature, we know that in all the gold ornaments, cuprum is mixed, copper is mixed. Why copper is mixed? To give that jewelry a strength. Okay, copper gives strength to the jewelry because gold is delicate; it will break suddenly. Ah. So copper is added in it to give strength to it. So what that copper will feel? It looks like a gold. Okay. So that copper will have feeling that I am as precious as gold, but the reality is something else. Huh? Delusion, he is a general. 5 remedies are given and all are copper salts. Cuprum metallicum, cuprum aceticum, cuprum fluor, cuprum mur, cuprum phos. All these are copper salts. He is a general. See the sub rubrics. He is an officer. He is a great person. Delusion being a commander. And cuprum metallicum is the main remedy covering all these things. So it has a false perception that he is at a high rank. But why this perception comes? We should think. How our patient will narrate, we should think over it. Actually, copper has a feeling that he will be attacked. And for that, he prepares himself to defense. So attack and defense, these are the two situations of copper, and it is running like a paroxysm. Hmm? Why? Why he has all these delusions? He is a person of rank, commander, general, officer. These all the personalities, they are very duty bound. They are very responsible like Aurum. They are aware of their duty. They are very disciplined. So these all the features come. But if we think of the opposite thing is delusion gathering hubs. Delusion, he is repairing old chairs. Delusion thinks he is selling green vegetables. So these are the delusions. On the opposite pole, he is doing work which is of very low grade. Okay, instead of constant efforts, he cannot attain that position. So after some situation, he has these kind of feelings. I remember a case. He was a boy of 14 or 15 years. Around 1 year back, he came to me for convulsions. He had very severe convulsions, and I remember that in his in CT scan reports, um, cavernous sinus hematoma was there. That cavernous sinus hematoma, again and again, he had around 1 or 2 episodes daily of convulsions. That boy was in 10th class, and her mother, the boy was suffering from severe problem, but her mother was complaining, sir ये problem तो ठीक है, सर पढ़ता नहीं है, इसके लिए कुछ करो सर. सर बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ता है, बिल्कुल नहीं सुनता है. Then I asked very simply कि क्यों नहीं पढ़ता है, क्या इसके परसेंटेज है. Her mother told, sir कुछ नहीं, 90% आते हैं. Then I thought that I should talk to the child only. Okay, so I sent the mother outside, and I asked the child, what do you feel when your mother tells you like this कि पढ़ता नहीं है. सर मैं क्या बताऊं सर, मम्मी तो पीछे पड़ी रहती है दिन भर, बस पढ़ता नहीं है पढ़ता नहीं है. सर मैं कोशिश तो इतनी करता हूँ, मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि 98-99% आए, टॉप 10 में तो हूँ मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि फर्स्ट आ जाऊँ, उस तरह की मेरी पोजीशन रहे. बट हमेशा मम्मी बस एक ही बात कहती है मुझे कि अगर पढ़ेगा नहीं तो तेरे को सब्जी वाला बनना पड़ेगा. सब्जी बेचेगा क्या, तुझे इंजीनियर बनना है कि मैकेनिक बनना है, क्या करना है तुझे, तुझे इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर बनना है या कारपेंटर बनना है. दिस क्लिक्ड मी, and I came to this rubrics and I gave cuprum metallicum, and beautifully he improved. And after that, he didn't get any episodes of convulsions. So this is copper. Some more key features are ambition, increased, competitive, joyful at misfortune of others. Copper is very very joyful. किसी का बुरा होगा तो उसे अच्छा लगेगा. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज क्यूपरम, कॉपर थ्रेटन्स अदर्स, दूसरों को डराता है. वो बहुत बोस्ट करता है, जो एक्चुअली नहीं है वो दिखाता है वो. एंड ही स्टैंड्स टू एन some high position in the world, he wants to stand, and this is why he threatens. Why he threatens and what is the effort he pursues behind the success के पीछे भागेगा. इसीलिए he has increased competitive ambitions, and when someone other fails, then he is joyful. Okay, and behind his ambition, what he makes inside, he is very hard hearted to himself and to others also. He is very hard hearted. and this all makes him antisocial and evading the looks of other person. इन सब चीजों से वो एंटी सोशल हो जाता है, उसे घर परिवार रिश्ते कोई मतलब के नहीं रहते हैं, और दूसरों से आंख मिलाने से बात करने से भी कतराता है. Evades the look of other person, cannot bear to be looked. So this is copper. So another remedy is phosphorus. You all know that phosphorus is self-love, self-centered, communicating, loves traveling. There is a tendency of diffusion. Growth is too fast. So whenever phosphorus patient achieves anything beyond his expectation, the things beyond his expectations, then he thinks that he is a person of a rank. He is a person at very high level. So what delusions phosphorus will be there? Phosphorus will have. He is a distinguished person. Delusion, he is happy on distant islands. Delusion, he is a person of rank. He considered himself very sensitive and refined, very, very intuitive. He thinks that I am very intuitive, I am very entertaining, huh? More spiritual than other. Okay, but when if we talk about opposite phase, na, when responsibilities or expectations are inflicted na on phosphorus, then what feeling comes? You know, he feels very, very oppressed. He feels very restrained. He feels choked. Because phosphorus is a tubercular remedy. Whenever some responsibilities are there, na, then entirely different situation comes. Okay. So, see, very good rubric is there. Delusion, being choked by forms. कोई choke कर रहा है. Or forms means something which is to be ununderstood. Delusions, body pieces, wherein several pieces, body wherein several pieces, and he could not get them adjusted. और वो उसे एडजस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है, बॉडी बहुत पीसेस में है और ही इज अनेबल टू एडजस्ट देम. ओके, जैसे कि फैमिली लेग्यूमिनेसी में है. लेग्यूमिनेसी रेमेडी बैप्टीसिया, it has a very peculiar delusion, that delusion body parts are scattered and he tries to collect them. Body parts are scattered here and there and he tries to collect them. This is the state of baptisia. Likewise in phosphorus. See, when I searched in radar about why this choke word, from where this came in phosphorus, then I searched choked and in phosphorus. Then in Allen Encyclopedia of Materia Medica, Pure Materia Medica, a very good symptom came, anxious phantasm. Anxious phantasm means it is a kind of illusion. On falling asleep, as if a bad man grasped him by the throat and tried to choke him. Okay, कोई उसे आके choke कर रहा है. This is very key thing I found in phosphorus. The last remedy delusion, he is a person of rank, is veratrum. So veratrum has a fear of loss of social position. Due to this fear, he cheats, he become a cheater, he become a liar, he become a gambler. And he thinks that अरे मेरे को मेरी पहचान इससे, मेरी पहचान उससे है, तुम जानते नहीं हो मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. But when we tell, he is unable to do anything. Okay, the talks will be of big level, but actually nothing can be done. So he has a delusion, he is a great person, he is a distinguished person. Delusion, he is a prince. See, he is in communication with God. मेरी इससे पहचान है, मेरी उससे पहचान है. Who is that God? that big person. If we say, I have a work in a municipal corporation from that officer. अरे अरे मैं सब करा दूंगा यार, मेरी इससे पहचान है, अपन एक फोन लगाएंगे काम हो जाएगा. He is in communication with God. Another rubric I am going to discuss, very interesting, very fascinating rubric, delusion, humility and lowness of others. While he is great, only two remedies are there, platinum and stephysagria. So, platinum, delusion of superiority. We know that platinum is very precious and very expensive. So, it has the feeling of superiority. But you know that if we keep various metals like platinum, silver, even steel, which is made of iron, if we keep all these things, one will not be able to recognize platinum very easily. Okay, so when we are unable to recognize platinum, from that state we can understand she feels that she is not appreciated. She feels humiliated. She feels she is of low level, though she is of very high level in front of silver, steel, gold. But then also she feels she is being humiliated. She is being crushed down. That gold is a huge power because उसकी चमक ज्यादा है. प्लेटिनम को तो कोई पहचान नहीं रहा है, भले ही it is more expensive. So feeling of being very small, feeling of having to grow very large in order to survive. Platinum is a successful leader. It belongs to row 6, column 10. She is at the height of success. And she is always successful in taking responsibility of himself or herself and also of others. She possesses such power. She is a pinnacle of power and success. She can do everything, but she she thinks that others can't do what I can do. Others have no power. Others have no capacity of leadership what I have. If a child is platinum, he will always be a rank holder. He will be a topper. If a project will be given to the platinum child, what he or she will tell, that my project should be unique one. I want some different topic. ऐसा local छोटा मोटा topic नहीं चाहिए मुझे. This is the ego. So platinum performance is something special. It is above the normal. So delusion, better than others he is. Delusion, humility and lowness of others while he is great. Delusion, being noble. Delusion, he is a great person. And delusions after vexation, the remedy comes to be platinum. See, very peculiar delusions we get, we have to perceive it. Patient tells each and everything. Second remedy is Staphysagria. It belongs to family Ranunculaceae and Cancer miasm. Okay, so why this delusion comes in Staphysagria? That delusion, humility and lowness of others while he is great. The key line of Staphysagria is pride and honor. जिएंगे तो शान से, मरेंगे तो शान से. हाँ? She is morbidly sensitive or he is morbidly sensitive. His ego is of very high level. There is elements from mortification. So due to this ego, this morbidly sensitive behavior, she always wants to live with pride, honor. She has her own dignity. There is violent outburst of anger. And at the another point, she has suppressed anger. Always her sensitive point is honor, reputation, self-respect, dignity. So this is the key point. Why she feels humiliated. Delusion, she is disgraced. Delusion as to greatness of body. Delusion, humility and lowness of others while he is great. दूसरों को तो वो बहुत तुच्छ समझता है. In front of his pride. Delusion, everything beneath him seems too low down. Delusion, wife will run away. Delusion, he is insulted. Why wife will run away? Do we think of this rubric? Only one remedy is given, Steffes agria. What is wife? Wife is pride. Wife is dignity. Wife is honor. अगर वाइफ नहीं रहेगी तो हमारा ऑनर रहेगा, प्राइड रहेगा. If a person is Steffes agria, then there is a एक चांस रहेगा कि he could get this thinking. So his wife will run away. कहीं मेरा प्राइड या ऑनर चला ना जाए. So I would like to share a video of a case. She is a case of a low back pain. You see this video.
बस हड्डियों में लगता है कि हड्डियां सीधी नहीं हो पाती हैं. ऐसा लगता है कि हड्डियां सीधी क्यों नहीं हो रही है, ऐसा लगता है जब बस कि ये जो कमर की हड्डी है ना वो ऐसा कैसे सिकुड़ गई हो अंदर, ऐसा लगता है. बस और कुछ नहीं, सीधे नहीं हो पाते एकदम.
क्या बोला आपने? हड्डियां सीधी नहीं हो रही.
हाँ, ऐसा लगता है अपनी जगह पे है तो ऐसी, जैसे यूं है तो यूं सीधी होनी चाहिए, मूवमेंट जैसा होना चाहिए हड्डी में. जैसे हड्डियों में मूवमेंट नहीं है, जैसे अपन जैसे खड़े हुए तो सीधी हो जाए, सकता है जैसे सीधी नहीं है, बस जैसे यूं है तो बहुत देर बाद सीधी होती है. जैसे अभी उठेंगे अपन ना, बस ऐसा लगता है जैसे यूं है तो यूं होनी चाहिए ना हड्डी उठने के बाद, वो यूं नहीं होती है. ऐसा तो जैसे ये बहुत देर में मूवमेंट हो रहा है हड्डियों का, बहुत देर में हो रहा है मूवमेंट ऐसा हड्डियों का.
Did you hear? Was the video clear to you? Was the voice clear to you? Okay, so what the patient told, ऐसा लग रहा है कि हड्डियां सीधी नहीं हो पा रही, ऐसी है तो ऐसी रह रही है, ऐसी है तो ऐसी रह रही है, सीधी नहीं हो पाती हड्डियां. So what she felt that it is fixed. It is fixed. It is arrested. Elasticity is loosed. The position is fixed. There is no chance of movement. Her MRI also revealed that L5, L6 are hypoplastic. The elasticity was, there was no elasticity. Okay, elastic, plastic and hypoplastic. These are the three terminologies. In hypoplastic, there is no elasticity. So this is the case where I prescribed Ruta. Delusion, he is hindered. Delusion is about to be arrested. So Ruta was given. And Ruta belongs to family Rutaceae of cancer miasm. Sensation as if squeezed, twisted and then broken. What is the sensation of Ruta? Must keep in control with squeezed, twisted sensation in order to prevent being broken. सीधी नहीं हो पाती हूँ, सीधी होगी तो she has a fear that it will. I am showing just a glimpse of the case. All the parts are covered. जैसे नींबू को निचोड़ते ना Rutaceae, Ruta family is the lemon family. Okay. This is twisted. This is squeezed. Okay. Constricted, jammed, sprained, arrested. Ruta is important remedy for sprains, pains with stiffness, bruises. Okay. Another rubric, delusion, he is a bottle of soda water. Argentum nitricum and cannabis indica. 2 remedies are given. So, let's talk about argentum. Argentum, suffocation, anticipation, a row 5 remedy. It wants to come out of that situation. There is a matter of crisis. Argentum is a crisis manager, has anticipatory fear. We all know that it is a good remedy for anticipatory anxiety, for stage fear, fear of high places, fear of collapse, fear of narrow places, claustrophobia. Okay. So, why Argentum has delusion? He is a bottle of soda water bottle. Whenever during any crisis situation, he is unable to perform, he is neglected, or he is despised, then at that time, there will be the feeling of failure. There will be the sensation, there will be the feeling as if his work is obstructed. He is unable to come out of that situation. So, this brings in the feeling that he is a bottle of soda water bottle. Delusion corners of the house project so that he fears he will run against them while walking in the street. Argentum nitricum is the only remedy. We have read in our Materia Medicas that उसे ऐसा लगता है कि बिल्डिंग्स और वो सब गिर जाएगी. So he will run against. कहीं he has an anticipatory fear due to that crisis situation. Another remedy was cannabis indica. It belongs to family Hemimelidae, psychotic miasm. Weakness, inadequacy is the main thing. They feels weak and inadequate. They're because of the danger which they are unable to face. They keep themselves inside the house. They confine themselves. They don't want to go out because outside there is a threat. Outside there is a threat, so they will remain in the house because of the danger. But inside it is boring. There is pressure from all the side. The boundaries are sealed. The pressure is like a box. He is in a box. His house is a box. Outside there is pressure, which is the threat. And inside what he feels, that he is stuck there. He thinks he is a bottle of soda water bottle. I will show you a video. You can understand this delusion, how the patient narrated.
जैसे हाथ है ना, ये अब बंद हो गई है. जैसे ये हाथ का वो स्ट्रक्चर है अंदर, वो बंद हो गई. तो अब वो ऐसा ऐसा अंदर उसको जो भी इस टूल को ट्रेवल करने में टाइम लगता है ना. तो वो ऐसा मतलब जैसे एसी हो गई अंदर से. वैसे भी एसी रहती है इंटरेस्टिंग, पर वो रूली तो बहुत छोटी हो गई. तो जो भी ट्रेवल कर रहा है उसको टाइम लगता है, इसलिए ऐसा लग रहा है.
You listen once again.
जैसे हाथ है ना, ये अब बंद हो गई है. जैसे ये हाथ का वो स्ट्रक्चर है अंदर, वो बंद हो गई. तो वो ऐसा ऐसा अंदर उसको जो भी स्कूल पर ट्रेवल करने में टाइम लगता है ना, तो वो ऐसा वजह से एसी हो गई अंदर से। वैसे भी एसी रहती है इंटरेस्टिंग, पर वो सूझी तो और छोटी हो गई, तो जो भी ट्रेवल कर रहा है उसको टाइम लगता है, इसलिए ऐसा लगता है।
डिड यू लिसन? जो भी ट्रेवल कर रहा है उसमें टाइम लगता है। वो आंत ऐसी थी तो ऐसी हो गई है। सो व्हाट ही टोल्ड कि जो भी ट्रेवल कर रहा है उसमें टाइम लगता है, अंदर फंस गई है। सो दिस इज द डिल्यूजन। ही इज अ बॉटल ऑफ सोडा वाटर बॉटल। वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग rubric I found: delusion is lying on a bear. जब बाहर से थ्रेट रहेगा और अंदर भी वो ठीक फील नहीं कर रहा है, तो what can be the delusion? He is a bottle of soda water bottle. He is a bottle of soda water bottle running to and fro. Covers the whole earth. Body covers the whole earth. Delusion surrounded by high walls. Okay. So this was delusion bottle of soda water bottle. One more interesting case I would like to share. Just see the video.
अपने जो आते हैं मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस की है कि मुझे कोई हैरेस कर रहा है या मुझे कोई मोलेस्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, मुझे ऐसे सपने आते हैं।
अच्छा।
जब कोई मतलब 4 लड़के खड़े हो, वैसे तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रांग हूँ कि अगर मुझसे कोई बोलता है, जैसे मैं स्टार्टिंग में जब यहाँ आई थी तो मैं जा रही थी स्टूडियो से घर जा रही थी, मैं अपने घर के पास पहुंची तो 2 लड़के आ रहे थे, तो एक लड़के ने अपने दोस्त को मेरे ऊपर धक्का दिया, मुझसे टच नहीं हुआ। मैं थोड़ा सा दूर गई, मैं देखती हूँ पब्लिक है कि नहीं है मेरे आसपास, पब्लिक खड़ी थी। मैंने यहीं से जूता उतार के मारूंगी तेरे को बेटा, सही हो जाएगा। खूब बहस हुई थी। जहाँ पब्लिक होती है वहाँ पे मैं कभी बोलने में चूकती नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कोई कुछ कर नहीं पाएगा। जब अकेली होती है तो मैं खुद सोचती हूँ कि मुझे यहाँ पे भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए। हो चुका है मेरे साथ ऐसा, बहुत लोग कमेंट करके जाते हैं, लोगों की आदत है यहाँ, तो कुछ कह नहीं सकते। बट ये चीज़ नोटिस की कोई कुछ कर रहा है या कोई अजीबोगरीब मैंने लड़का देखा है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं सेफ नहीं हूँ, मतलब यहाँ पे सेफ ही नहीं हूँ। जैसे अभी कुछ दिन पहले मेरे घर के आसपास एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था कि किसी का बर्थडे था, कुछ लड़के आए थे कॉलेज के, वो पी कर आए थे और वो अपने दोस्त को मार रहे थे बेल्ट से। तो बहुत आवाज़ें आ रही थी बाहर से, तो हम लोग घर के बाहर निकले, मैं, मम्मी और पापा। तो उन लड़कों को देख के बहुत एक इनसिक्योरिटी सी फील होती है कि मतलब कि राह चलते कब कौन क्या कर, इतनी चीजें पढ़ते हैं कि राह चलते कब कौन क्या कर देगा, उसको कोई वो नहीं है। और जिंदगी में फिर खोने को फिर कितनी कुछ चीजें, एक चीज हो जाती है गलत तो फिर सारी चीजें हाथ से छूट जाती है।
नहीं समझा
इस बात को मतलब एक इनसिक्योरिटी सी लगती है कि कोई गलत तरीके से छुएगा, टच करेगा, या अगर मतलब मुझे बहुत ऐसा सपना आता था कि कोई मुझे जबरदस्ती पकड़ रहा है, कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, बट फिर भी मैं बैकआउट कर रही हूँ कि मुझे नहीं, मैंने धोखा दिया है लोगों को। और फिर ऐसे करते करते एकदम से नींद खुल जाती है, हाँ सब सही है।
तो ऐसा कभी रियलिटी में हुआ है क्या कुछ?
नहीं, ऐसा रियलिटी में कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ।
या तुमने कहीं देखा?
नहीं, देखा भी नहीं है ऐसा, बट फिर भी ऐसा फील आता है।
अच्छा।
हाँ,
कि कोई ऐसी कोशिश कर रहा है।
हाँ, कि कोई ऐसा, मतलब सपनों में भी बहुत बार हुआ ऐसा मेरे साथ।
हाँ।
कोई जबरदस्ती करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कोई गलत तरीके से छूने की कोशिश कर रहा है। वो मेरे आसपास के लोगों के चेहरे होते थे।
ओके।
ऐसा होता था।
अच्छा।
तो वो एक हमेशा रहता, कभी ऐसे डर नहीं लगता है, पर कभी कुछ ऐसा अजीबोगरीब लड़के देख गए, जैसे मैं बस में ट्रैवल करती हूँ, मैं वैन में कभी भी ट्रैवल नहीं करती, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। मैं 1 घंटे बस स्टॉप पे वेट कर लेती हूँ, पर मैं वैन में कभी ट्रैवल नहीं करती। तो कुछ लड़के होते हैं कमेंट्स करते हैं, मैं ध्यान नहीं देती हूँ। मैं पहले बहुत करती थी ऐसा कि मैंने लोगों को बोल दिया अगर किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोला है तो मैं जवाब जरूर दे के जाऊंगी। बट डे बाय डे ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं यार, कुछ लोग बहुत खराब होते हैं। कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो 2 बातें सुन के चले जाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें 2 बातें बोल दो तो वो अपने ऊपर कुछ ज्यादा ले लेते, तो कुछ भी कर सकते।
यस यस।
तो वो सारी चीजें भी सोच के मैं फिर कभी कभी कुछ नहीं भी बोलती।
Were you able to hear the video? Okay. So what the patient told कि कोई मुझे हैरेस कर रहा है, कोई मुझे मोलेस्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। वैसे तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रांग हूँ, जहाँ पब्लिक होती है वहां मैं बोलने में नहीं सोचती हूँ, अकेले होती हूँ तो सोचती हूँ। ऐसा लगता है कि मैं सेफ नहीं हूँ, कोई मुझे टच कर रहा है, कभी ऐसे में डरती नहीं हूँ, जवाब दे देती हूँ। It was actually a case of primary hemorrhoid. She was a 19-year-old girl. She had constipation, stool difficult, bleeding and burning during defecation, swelling in anal region. What rubrics I took? Delusion, impression of danger yet calm. Delusion, she is not safe. Delusion, surrounded by enemies. Delusion, he is separated by the group. Delusion, man putting hand on her crotch. Feeling of inadequate. Delusion, being desired by a man and dreams of danger. Dreams, dreams, man putting hand on her dreams. Dreams, feeling of inadequate, and dreams being desired by a man. Dreams of danger. These were very peculiar dreams that she got. And I prescribed leg delphinum. Leg delphinum, it is dolphin's milk. Dolphins are very powerful. They are predatory animals. They are the champions of oceans. They are much admired for their strength, speed, and agility while hunting. When the dolphins meet head-on with the sharks, particularly tiger sharks, on most occasions they become very violent. Rarely, they may just avoid them altogether and move on without responding. ऐसी चली जाती हूँ मैं, reaction नहीं देती हूँ. But they may violently assault the tiger sharks as a pod. They batter them by banging them against some hard objects till they are dead. जवाब तो देती हूँ मैं, पर अकेली हूँ तो मैं सोचती हूँ फिर जवाब दूं या नहीं दूं. So I prescribed leg delphinum. Her complaints solved, and she is very she felt that मैं ऑपरेशन से बच गई सर, नहीं तो मुझे ऑपरेशन कराना पड़ता. मैं एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर के पास गई तो उनने तो सीधा ऑपरेशन का बोल दिया था. So we have more rubrics, but I think we are short of time. Okay. So let us conclude. Dr. Ria has wrote in the chat. So here we are talking about delusion symptoms, but we have taken other symptoms also in all the cases. Otherwise, it is not complete. So after a complete case, these remedies have been prescribed. I am only showing here the part of it. Okay. I had taken some more interesting rubrics. but some another time we will discuss on it. So delusions, without delusions, it is not complete actually. Human mind thinking process will never end. And we live in delusions. There is something which is inside us. This is a very important part of our journey. And a homeopath always tries to find delusions, imaginations to get the exact simillimum. हसरतें कुछ और है, वक्त की इल्तिजा कुछ और है. कौन जी सका है जिंदगी अपने मुताबिक? दिल चाहता कुछ और है, होता कुछ और है. क्या नक्स वोमिका की टेरिटरी में कोई नहीं आया है? एगेरिकस छोटी बीमारी को भी बड़ी समझता है. आंख में जरा सा कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, कंजंक्टिवाइटिस, he thinks that पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. A small hole appears a big chiasm. Stephysagria, always he feels he has a delusion of being humiliated. उसका ऑनर क्या, उस वो प्राइड, वो सम्मान मिल पाया है? एकोनाइट, he has a fear of death. तो क्या वो मर गया है क्या? No. Marksol, always he has a delusion he is surrounded by enemies. क्या गले में छाले हो गए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई तो क्या that is enemy? No. दिल चाहता कुछ और है, होता कुछ और है. So I would like to end here. Thank you so much, BJNRX, Radar Opus, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk on the topic delusions in homeopathic prescription. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was indeed very informative. We really liked the session. Maybe we will, have another session with you since you have so much
sure.
to tell. And I would request to our learners that they can comment with their questions now if they have any. We can take 1 or 2 questions real quick. If you have some questions, you can type in the chat box and we can take them up. And another important thing, there is a poll on your chat, and I would like you to respond to that and tell us how did you like today's session with Dr. Shreyans. And still waiting for the questions, sir.
Yeah.
Let's give them a minute or two. Okay, so there's a question, sir, from a learner. How can we study families?
Yeah. Study of families, what you should do now, if you have a software, you should write various remedies of the family in search option. In search option, you write major important remedies, 4 or 5 remedies, and you extract all the symptoms of that family. And when we get those rubrics, those symptoms, then you see the commonality between the remedies. Whatever common symptoms you get now in all those remedies, then this will give the study of families.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, still waiting for more questions. Quickly, please give us your questions if you want Dr. Shreyans to answer them for you. Okay, so there's another question, sir. How we can confirm the perfect delusion? Many of times we are confused to take delusion or have a wrong perception.
Yeah. It is very, very good question. And actually now, delusions we get in each and every aspect. Delusions we will get in each and every situation of the patient. We should confirm it again due to if this is repeated again and again, the person talks of that thing only. Like in Delphinum case, she always talked that मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं सेफ नहीं हूँ, कोई कुछ कर देगा, मैं रास्ते से भी गुजरती हूँ तो कुछ हो जाएगा. So if in the whole course of interview, if we get that thing repeated, then this repeated thing is the exact delusion. अगर कोई डायरेक्ट ऐसा बोल दे कि मैं सेफ नहीं हूँ बस, तो उससे कंसिडर नहीं करना है हमें. ओके.
Okay, so thank you. A learner wants to know, can we take dreams as delusions?
Yes, of course we can take. I have showed you that dreams are the perfect. सबसे अच्छा delusion is dream, because it is exact story which is revealing our subconscious mind, and delusions also come from subconscious mind.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I guess we'll wrap it up here. We are running out of time. I would like to thank you, Dr. Shreyans, for such an informative and enriching experience. And I would like to extend a very warm gratitude on behalf of Radar Opus team and on behalf of the BGN group. And I apologize to those whose questions I couldn't take up due to a shortage of time. And would you like to say something, sir, to our learners?
I would just like to say that you study more and more. You study from each and every books, each and every remedy. You can take best use of our softwares, of the technology, and you can inculcate the use of technology in your practice, and you can study more, and after studying you can apply it very well and very easily in your practice. This is what I will say. And होम्योपैथी मैं बहुत ही एक सिंपल बात कहूँगा, होम्योपैथी एक तपस्या है, और वो तपस्या हमें करते रहना है, तभी हमें अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे और हम ह्यूमैनिटी का कुछ अच्छा कर पाएंगे.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I want to inform our learners that we have an upcoming free webinar on reaching minimum through mental state assessment by Dr. Shweta Agarwal, scheduled for 11th of September, 4 p.m. You will receive the link for registration in your mails and on our social media handles. Also, many of you were asking if you'll get a video of this webinar. So I would like to tell them that all the registrants of our webinars will get the replay link on their mail. So make sure that you register for the webinar to get the replay link, right? And also I'm providing the link for the next webinar in the chat right here for you people. And so that's it. I've provided it for you. You can register it for it right away, and we'll let you know if we'll get a chance to have another session with Dr. Shreyans, if he'll allow us to. And so that's it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, dear learners. Thank you, the homeopathic fraternity who joined us here today and learned about delusions and a new way of prescribing with Dr. Shreyans. And thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Thank you
so much. Good evening.